If you don't mind. Take your time. What did you have on there? Pink one. No, pink's gonna do it. I think we just need to be farther up. Small pink. Small pink. Yes.
Mike, what do you say?
That's right. Yes. Just let them fire off. I don't want to kill it. This hose is tight, you know, you're only going to give up. Once he sees the boat, he's going to want to take off. Come over and get back there. Slide it down, slide it down.
Oh.
Out in the middle.
There you go.
Well, first one of the day, took a while, but we got him.